hunter! It's a bar!
Increasing aggression.
Taste the mind of Hyperion!
That's one of the body doubles Jack uses to confuse assassins
I
and
ain't gonna die
impress
like
his
all those
enemies.
other idiots!
I have had sex with space.
Remember, worker. Activating combat. Success. No. You I disappear. Target in sight.
Yikes. Ooh. Be overwhelmed with my answer. Ow.
Die. Lethal force authorized.
I am definitely answering yes.
Moving to engage.
I will kill you. Shut up.
Grab the pocket watch device he dropped. It echoes his biosignature to every machine in the immediate area, so his doubles can do all of his hand kissing and baby shaking for him. That pocket watch also records audio. Jack loved to listen to the praise of his underlings. We need to create a voice modulator so you can speak in Jack's voice. Get to an info kiosk.
Die.
But why would you build a metropolis in the middle of a bandit-infested wasteland? I don't understand, sir.
Of course you don't, because you was lacking in vision. Did you know that some people on this planet still believe in silly superstitions? Like angels, demons, and ancient alien warriors? We like to call them bandits.
Yes, this is going to work. If I get a few more samples of Jack's voice, I can make a voice modulator for you. You need to get more voice samples from the other info kiosks.
Did you know that some people on this planet still believe in silly superstitions?